Greetings, let's understand systematic literature review, the how part of it, as to how exactly you can execute a systematic literature review. So the first thing first, you have to select a topic on which you will be doing an SLR. Now, which topic you should select? There are three choices that you have. The first choice is that it can be a single construct review. That means on one particular construct, you will be reviewing the existing literature. An example is given here. And as you can see here, in this particular example, workplace incivility is the construct that we are talking about, right? The second option that you have is instead of a construct, you use a single theory to review. So in this particular example, we have an attachment theory at work that we are reviewing. So the third option that you have is relationship review. So instead of a particular construct or a theory, you review the relationship between two constructs. In this particular example, we have two constructs. One construct is talent management practices, and another construct is employee reactions. So in this particular paper, the authors are trying to find out the impact of talent management practices on employee reactions. They are reviewing this relationship. Moving ahead, there is a four-stage process of doing an SLR. According to Moher et al. 2009, they call it a PRISMA framework, wherein you start with identification of a pool of papers, then you funnel it down to screening, then you remove more papers, and it becomes eligibility, and you remove further papers, becomes the final included papers. Now let's understand what these exactly are. So when it comes to Prisma flow, the first stage here is identification. So in the identification stage, you find out the number of records you have identified using a particular research database. So it could be Scopus, EBSCO, or Web of Science, or Jester, or any other research database. These are the most popular ones. Or you might have other records from some other sources. So you can have all those in this. You have to only tell the numbers here, how many records you identified. After that, there could be some commonality between these two. So the same record could be in this as well as in this. So you'd have to remove those duplicates and you tell the exact number after removal of the duplicates. The second stage is screening. So here you tell how many records you have screened. Okay, so in that you have to exclude certain records because you might think that after reading abstracts they are not fit. Then comes third one, which is eligibility. In the eligibility, you have to tell the number of full text articles assessed for eligibility. Okay, so here after reading abstracts, when you excluded certain papers, what was the number of full text that you have read? However, you might still, after reading full text, you might reduce the pool further because after reading full text, you think that the abstracts were deceptive, they were not really representative of the entire article. So in the fourth stage, which is included, you tell the final number. Okay, what is the final number? Right. So this is mainly the Prisma flow, and you have a diagram available as a template by the Prisma statement website. You can directly download from this particular link. And there are different types of diagrams available based on whether you have single source, whether you have registered, etc. etc. That's it. Thank you.